Using a Sam's Club gift card for gas is a convenient way to save money on fuel purchases. To get started, make sure you have a Sam's Club gift card with a sufficient balance to cover the cost of the gas. First, locate a Sam's Club fuel station near you by visiting the Sam's Club website or using the Sam's Club app. Not all Sam's Club locations have fuel stations, so it is essential to verify this information before heading out. Once you have found a Sam's Club fuel station, pull up to the pump and insert your payment card or select the Pay at the Pump option. Choose the option to pay with a gift card and follow the prompts to enter the gift card number and PIN. If you do not have a PIN, you can pay inside the fuel station by presenting the gift card to the attendant. They will swipe the card and process the payment. When using a Sam's Club gift card for gas, keep in mind that the gift card balance will be deducted for the amount of gas purchased, plus any applicable taxes and fees. It is also important to note that Sam's Club gift cards can only be used at Sam's Club fuel stations and cannot be used at other gas stations. To check the balance of your Sam's Club gift card, you can visit the Sam's Club website or call the customer service number on the back of the card. It is a good idea to check your balance before filling up to ensure you have enough funds to cover the cost of the gas. By following these steps, you can easily use your Sam's Club gift card to purchase gas at a Sam's Club fuel station. This is a great way to save money and make the most of your gift card balance. Remember to always check your balance before making a purchase and to only use your gift card at participating Sam's Club fuel stations.